Yeah, hi everyone. So today we are going to see about functions in programming. Function is nothing but in the real world, we can see the marriage function or driving is a function, and also a teaching is a function. Similarly, a cooking is a function. So kind of there are different types of functions in the real world. So what is the purpose of those functions is so reduce the work effort um, to each and in every individual person doesn't need to do the same work again and again. For example, if I'm there, if I want to travel from some places, so I no need of know the driving. So someone is driving, we can accommodate in that vehicle and we can go there. So that's how function is reducing our work efforts by reusing the same work done by someone else. So or else just calling that particular person and asking to do some work. So that is a function. So it's basically in programming world or else the real world, there are certain things we need to give for the function. So first of all, first thing is parameters. Parameters means so to work to do the certain work, what are the things we need to provide to the particular person? That is the parameters. So for example, if we are considering the cooking example here, we need to mention who is going to cook our food. So cooking person, ingredients. So what are the food items we need to have it? So that is ingredients, and whether we need to use a gas stove or electric stove or something, we need to mention. And what is the food recipe we want? That is also a parameter. And if we pass these three things, then the work is to prepare those items. Any one person can do that work, and then the served food is that food is prepared and then it is served into our plate. So this is how the function works in real world. The same manner the function, if you want to produce it in the programming world, that is also similar. You need to follow the syntaxes, the keywords. So I am giving the example here for Python. The same manner for it will slightly vary for the other programming languages. So because curly braces it will be included for some of the programming languages, but more or less the concept is same. So if you see here, the cooking is a function name, and to identify what is the function, and the what is the parameters we need to pass it, that is ingredients. So this parameter section, and this is the execution block. Whenever this particular function we are asking to work, this particular block of code is executed, and this particular return statement will return to the called part in a sense wherever we can call these cooking functions 100 times. So the every 100 every time it will if you want to get the food from that cooked uh, thing or the function, if you want to get something from return back from the function, so we can ask the coding to give me something. So that particular thing is received as a variable, that is a return thing, and we will take that particular input as a served food. Okay, so let me give the next example. I run the code already. I have ran the code. So this is an example. Function is basically reducing the reusability of code. If you want to do the addition, you can write once and just call the function, and you can do the stuffs. Similarly, if you want to do the 100 lines of code repeatedly 100 times, so you can write once and give the name and take the parameters and return the value from that function, and you can use it only once, and you can um, do call multiple times and get that functionality done. So similarly here I have created one function, that is a cooking function. So if you see here, and what I have done is so the person who is going to cook ingredients that is used for cooking that food, and food needs to be prepared by the ingredients and the place where the cooking is taken place. So this is just two examples I have given. First time I called with the mom, and I have given the ingredients as rice and tomato, and I asked to make tomato rice. Yes, the output is coming with mom used rice tomato and prepare this tomato rice in the kitchen. Similarly, next one example is the chef. I'm going to the restaurant and I'm asking to the prepare the chef by using rice and vegetables to prepare the pizza. I am not a cook, so maybe the things are wrong. So just an example this is. So this is how the programming works in the real world as well as a programming world. Hope you like this. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment for your feedbacks for the betterment. Thank you.